welcome back to my channel. I'm here in California and it is sunny every day. With the daily sun exposure, I am unintentionally frowning and squinting my eyes constantly, which will eventually cause deep wrinkles on my forehead and 11 lines between my eyebrows. Good thing I am aware of this, and so today I'm going to teach you a few face yoga poses that can combat these bad habits. Let's get started.
Breathe in and out through your nose. Interlace your fingers and place them on top of your head. Apply firm pressure and move your hands back and forth 10 times. Then side to side 10 times. Place your interlaced hands on your forehead. Apply firm pressure and move your hands up and down 10 times. Come out from the pose and relax. Interlace your fingers and place your palms on your forehead. Apply firm pressure and lift up. Tighten your focus by squinting and hold for 10 seconds. Close your eyes and relax for 3 seconds. Open your eyes as wide as possible and hold for 10 seconds. Come out from the pose and relax. Place your fingertips along your forehead. Apply firm pressure and push your fingers upward. Tilt your face downward parallel to the floor and feel the blood flowing to your face. Hold for 10 seconds. Come out from the pose and relax. Place your thumbs at the innermost corners of your eyes and your index fingers along the hairline. Slide your index fingers along the hairline and the thumbs below your eyebrows for 10 times. Relax your forehead and don't forget to breathe. Next, make fists with your hands. Place the index knuckles above the eyebrows and the middle fingers just below the eyebrow bones. Slide fingers from middle of your eyebrows to your temples for 10 times. Relax shoulders and keep breathing. Come out from the pose and relax. Breathe Breathe in and out through your nose. Place all your fingertips on the center of your forehead in a vertical line. Take up 10 seconds to tap from the center of your forehead to your temples. Come out from the pose and relax.
I hope you enjoy these face yoga poses, and we'll do these face yoga poses whenever you find yourself frowning or squinting your eyes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!